Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So I had just watched a live video with Amelia, the CEO of Epicure, and there's a couple updates that I wanted to share with you all. Still, the most common question is, how and when can I sign up? So yes, I am here in Canada, but I know a lot of people in the US who are super excited. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, Andrea, I don't really know you, but I don't know who to sign up under. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Because the nice thing is, you guys, is I will be training all of you guys on how to sell Epicure, how to make the most out of this amazing company. Because we all know, there's nothing worse than, being excited, signing up for something, and then not knowing what to do from there. If you try to call Epicure, send them emails, live chat with them, that's wonderful, but they will keep telling you, talk to your leader, talk to your leader, talk to your leader, because they are probably getting all of the same questions. So I am here to help all of you guys. I am more than excited, more than willing to help all of you. Please send me messages anytime. I am more than happy to help. So the question is, though, when and how can you sign up? So July the 8th, 11 a.m. my time. So I'm in Canada, Toronto time. I believe it's 8 a.m. your time, depending on where you're watching this. But I have taken the whole day off. Yes, I have. That's the luxury of being able to work for myself, that I can take the day off. I took the day off to sign up all of you guys. So whoever wants to sign up, let me know. You have to send me a message so that I can put your name on a list. I will literally be probably in front of my computer an hour before, because we all know there's going to be a lineup. There will be virtual lineups for people to sign up, because the first, I think it's 500, but don't quote me on that. I'm going to double check. But let's just say, for the sake of numbers, the first 500 people to sign up, they will get free product. I believe there's even prizes for a free business kit, but I have to double check all of that, because I have watched so many trainings and I don't always do it when I have notes in front of me. Like if I'm doing laundry, I just turn something on to listen. If I'm, doing paperwork or something, I just kind of have it playing in my iPad in the background, but I don't always take notes. So that's my fault. But anyways, the first certain amount of people to sign up get free stuff. So I want to be in there for all of you guys to sign you up. I do have a list. So please message me. If you want to pre-sign up now, I do ask for your name, your phone number, your full address, and your birthday. That's all I need for now. They'll probably tell us about a week or two before, I'm hoping, what else we need from our consultants who want to sign up, so that I can just literally sign you guys up one by one. Okay, this is so exciting. I know for here in Canada, that's all we need to sign somebody up. We do ask, I believe, for your social insurance number. I believe it's called something different in the US. Plus, of course, payment also. So in the US, I usually accept money by PayPal, but I will talk to you guys about payment closer to the date, because they don't have a full price yet. So I can't ask you guys for payment because we don't know how much the business kit's going to be. Plus, I completely understand you don't know me, so you don't want to just give me your payment info, right? Totally understand. I would not be doing that either, trust me. So I'll be sort of like personally messaging all of you guys probably a day or two before to talk to you guys about all of that when I know more information. But for now, just send me a message, like I said, with your name, probably email too. So name, email, your full address, your phone number, and your birthday, so that I can put you on the list, because I know that I need that for now, okay? Any questions, let me know. I do have an Epicure USA training Facebook page. So make sure to join that page, because any updates that I do have, I post in there right away, because I can't always hop on to do a video for every single update, because there's tons happening. But make sure to to log into that page. So then that way you can see all of the new updates that are coming. Okay, so that's how and when to sign up. So July the 8th, I will be inputting everybody. Send me all of that info. And as I said, if you guys have questions, please let me know. I do have a full training course also in that Epicure USA training Facebook page. So I'm sure you have 20,000 questions now. Take part in that training course. It is super easy and you learn things as you go. I've been uploading videos every week or so and just sort of keeping them all in the same place. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are super excited. What's the date today? July, oh my God, June 26th. So it's coming, you guys. It's coming. In Canada, we love Epicure. So you will love Epicure in the US too. It is an amazing way to eat a lot healthier, to cook a lot healthier, cook things that are a lot healthier, plus a lot quicker, easy cleanup, and you can make some amazing money on the side. I do this part-time and I love it. It is so nice to be able to work from home, set your own hours. We lead busy lives these days. Oh my gosh, crazy, crazy busy. I can't imagine working for somebody else at this point, and I'm only 33. So come on, things are changing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be uploading another video shortly because I want to talk to you guys about certain things to look forward to within your first 30, 60, and 90 days as a new Epicure USA consultant. I will see you guys soon and have a good day.